To gig or not to gig? That is the question. Gina Passarella with the Legal Intelligencer has this.
Meanwhile, many Americans are making extra money, renting out a spare room, designing websites, or even driving their own car. This on-demand or so-called gig economy is creating exciting opportunities and unleashing innovation.
From the early days of the 20th century, America prided itself on not only being an economic powerhouse among nations, but also safeguarding its workers. But the rise of technology, cheap labor, and the entrepreneurial spirit is birthing something new, the gig economy. And it's challenging everything we know about business and laws protecting workers.
I think both Democrats and Republicans want to embrace technology. They want to embrace the growth in jobs that technology can bring about.
But it's also raising hard questions about workplace protections and what a good job will look like in the future.
And there's the rub, and why the gig economy is finding itself in court. Shannon Liss-Riordan, a Boston attorney, has gone after Uber, the poster child for the new economy.
I've sued Uber for misclassifying its drivers as independent contractors, and by doing that, Uber has basically pushed all the costs and expenses of its business onto the workers, and the workers aren't getting the protections that they're owed under the wage laws and the employment laws.
2 class action lawsuits have been settled in California and Massachusetts, giving drivers more legal protections, but still allowing Uber to classify them as independent contractors. There are more class actions to come. Another sector of the freelance economy under scrutiny is teaching.
Growing trend at colleges and universities across the country, which increasingly rely on part-time adjunct instructors.
The definition of an adjunct is a professional that has the same academic qualification as full-time faculty that's contracted to come work at the campus with no expectation of benefits.
But here's the problem. They work without the safety net of what regular employees and other teachers get. They don't have benefits. They don't get paid appropriately. There's no workers' comp. Some people think, oh, adjunct faculty, that's quite an honorary stature. Well, not in these cases. It's really not that way.
But with globalization and a surge in technology, the gig economy isn't going anywhere.
With Uber, there's no benefits, but I think for me there's more benefits than no benefit. The benefit is that I can choose my own time, and it's a lot better than minimum wage work.
By 2020, 40% of the U.S. workforce will be freelancers. How to balance the interests of entrepreneurs and create safe and fair working standards will challenge labor laws for years to come, and no doubt continue to be fodder for political seasons. For the American Law Journal, I'm Gina Passarella.